Hello, EV junkies.
We are going to talk about the supercharging network in the greater Seattle area.
Let's get into it. It's your man Jay.
And your man Twan.
And this is
Tech Taste Daily. All right, so we're going to look at charging in the greater Seattle area.
Seattle's coming up.
Because a couple new charging Tesla chargers just got put in.
It's better.
And I used to complain a lot about the lack of charging for EVs other than Tesla.
Right.
It's, I can charge at home, and there's a couple other places that I could charge, but until recently, it hasn't really been very convenient. There's a supercharger that just went in north of me in Bothell, but there really wasn't anything if you were on your way downtown.
It's like we've been in the EV dark ages, y'all.
Right? So let's take a quick peek at the map, and then we'll take a look at our review of the Northgate Mall Supercharger. So here you've got a map of kind of the greater Seattle area here, more showing the north half of the map here, because we are where the blue dot is. Right here, where this blue dot is where the studio is. And down over here is downtown Seattle. Now, typically, if I'm going out for dinner or to meet with clients or colleagues, I'm usually doing that in downtown Seattle or sometimes over here in Bellevue.
Right.
But as you can see from the blue dot, to come around the tip of the lake here and out onto the freeway, onto I-5 here, getting down to downtown Seattle, there really isn't any chargers out here. Now, you probably saw as I scrolled over, there's a destination charger.
Right.
But that's the same as the charger in my garage.
Man.
That means it's going to give me, like 32 miles for every hour.
This is supposed to be Seattle, man. Aren't we supposed to be like San Francisco, and we're supposed to be like New York? We're supposed to be up in this piece, right?
There should be convenient chargers on the way to where I'm going.
Seriously.
So, again, if you look at the map here, you can see from the blue dot, to get a supercharger, I've got to go the opposite direction of where I'm going, to the one up here in Linwood, or back this way to the one down here in, where is that even?
Right? Exactly.
Oh, that's a destination charger anyway. It's at some hotel or something somewhere. So you've got this one in Bothell, this one way up here in Linwood, way north.
That's far away, man.
Further north than going downtown.
It's too far.
And then there's a destination charger again out here somewhere. So long story short, there's nothing at this neck of the woods except for going the opposite direction.
Right.
If you're going downtown, the problem with the ones downtown is they're all in parking garages that you either have to pay to get into, or they aren't even open to the public, or they close so early that your car is going to get locked in there. And even if it is charged, you can't drive it now anyway.
What part of the game is that?
Right? That's the losing part of the game. So let's take a look at this supercharger review, and then we'll have some more closing comments on the map here on the way out. So let's take a look at that supercharger review.
Let's check it out.
Hey!
Hello, it's your man Jay.
It's your man Twan.
And this is
Tech Taste Daily. So we're out here in Northgate doing a little EV charger review. We're at the Tesla Supercharger, or soon to be Tesla Supercharger, at Northgate. The chargers are back over our shoulders here. There are 16 chargers over there. They are level 3. 250 kilowatt chargers, so that's all fine and good in a perfect location here. This is I-5 right behind me over here, and you can see the light rail going in there. It goes all the way to SeaTac Airport, so that's marvelous.
Yes.
But while you're charging here, the V3 charger won't be charging too long at those rates. But there's Cafe Pho right behind me, right there. You've got Chipotle right over here, and whatever that Bluefin Inn is over there, and Stanford's on the other end of the parking lot there. And if that's not enough, you've also got the food court. It is Northgate Mall, right? After all.
Exactly.
And just over the top of the building there, on the other side, there is a Regal Cinema, as if you would be charging for for 2 hours, long enough to watch a movie on.
You never know. Never say never. Never say never.
There's definitely things to do. So I would rate this charging station an 8, maybe even a 9 out of 10.
I agree.
All right. So
Gene Morris is right there. Gotta get my hair done.
Get your hair did.
See you guys next time.
All right. Now you know.
Man, the bases are loaded, and I think we just hit a home run.
This guy. So, looking at the map again, you can see that that's right in the middle of the gap that we used to have. That charger is right where it needed to be able to get around the tip of the lake, hook up your charge, get downtown, and maybe top off on the way back home.
You know, it's 2021. It's about time we caught up.
Right?
And I feel like this is just the beginning.
Indeed. I believe next time we do a Supercharger review, we will be out in Bellevue. So we'll check out the filling of the gap on the east side of the lake. So some chargers out here that aren't destination chargers in Bellevue. So stay tuned for that.
I'm excited, man. We'll see you guys next time.
I'm Antoine.
I'm Jay.
And this has been Tech Taste Daily.
If you see what you like and you like what you see,
smash that like button.
If you want to get notified of our upcoming videos,
don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to make sure you don't miss any of the upcoming content.
We'll see y'all next time. Easy.
We out.
Peace.
Base in the space means peace. See you later.